Lucas! Hello! Alright, grabe. Tawagin na natin siyempre ang PDG. Let's have Clarice, Shubi, Ralph, Charlie, Will, and Brent right here on the stage. Again, malabangan po natin all the fans of PBB. They are here sa Acer Day 2025.
Grabe, ang daming tao!
Oh, before anything else, while waiting up for the family, baka gusto mong bumati sa lahat ng mga nakatutok sa atin ngayon.
Magandang gabi, Acer Fam!
Ano?
Nag-enjoy ba lahat? Hindi lang to! Mas matutuwa pa kayo mamaya! At hindi ko marinig! Isang ang Acer Jam! Ayan!
Yeah. Well, welcome to Acer Day 2025 again. We've got the family right here, or should I say, the extended family. Okay? I have to say, Ralph and Charlie, welcome to the growing family of syempre, of PDG. Pero is it okay if we position ourselves something like we got Shukla, we got Breka, we got Rawi, and Chares? It's still so fresh for me, di ba? Sino dito nanood at invested sa PBB Collab? Buong bayan talaga nakatutok sa Pinoy Big Brother. But hey, growing family ang PDG. Pero ang pinaka-importante ay you are now part of the Acer family. How does it feel, guys? Anyone could answer. Truly.
I'm really grateful. First of all, hello mo, Arena! Okay pa ba kayo dyan? Grabe naman talaga, guys. Ang dami nila, guys.
Ang dami talaga dito.
Ang dami nila.
Sobra.
Pero Kuya Robbie, I would say I'm really grateful. I feel like I've already said this in the interview. This is the essence of collab for us. Parang itong pamilya na to, hindi lang po ito nabuo na joke-joke time lang.
Oh.
Totoo po at genuine ang nabuo namin relasyon sa loob ng bahay. So for us to endorse a brand that's very close to our heart po, we're really grateful po for Acer na kinuha po kaming pamilya de Guzman plus extended family.
Yes, very, very authentic yung family na, no? We got a lot of questions, syempre. We're gonna be having this chit-chat time with our extended PDG or the new faces of Acer. Pero, instead of doing like a question-answer type, why don't we do it a little bit different? Pageant style pero duo. Okay lang ba yun, Acer fam? Okay, let's have Shukla first right here.
Look! Kaya to ni Mom.
Okay, kailangan may lakad ah. In 3,
Rarampa!
Rarampa.
Play music!
Ano ba yan?
Ladies and gentlemen, Shukla!
Wala bang yawan dyan?
Wala bang yaman?
May ganun talaga.
Yes,
Okay.
naman.
Now, Shukla, we are so happy that you guys are here. Pero how do you break a limit pagdating sa energy tsaka creativity on the stage? Mom?
How about you, Shubi?
Ano pala?
What can you say about that question?
I do believe that Shukla already has the quality of a winner. Wow, grabe naman talagang winner na yan. Kasi we just enjoyed the moment. Being in front of you, everybody, is such a life-changing. Ang dami pong green na nakikita namin ngayon. Kung alam niyo, para po kayong mga ants. Sobra po kaming grateful sa inyo. And as well as for energy, talagang bare minimum sa amin yan ni Mom. Okay talaga kami sa energy. Kaya
Yes.
wala kaming kinakatakutan. We just,
Do our best and face our fear.
yes.
Because
What else?
that's life!
Alam mo yung ang dami naming in-expect na words from you.
Yeah, that's life because, you know naman na at the end of the day, I love Acer.
Ito maganda!
Diba?
Okay, I'm sure our Acer fam will love hearing those two letters na sinabi mo sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Clarice, gaano mo bang kamahal ang Acer?
Gano'n ko kamahal ang Acer? Sorry ha, pero OA!
Panalo, maraming salamat. Thank you. And
Sorry kung natapakan ko yung mga laptop niyo.
Huwag mong tatapakan yung laptop! Hindi ka inaano ng mga laptop!
Hindi ko tatapakan ng Acer, hindi ko tatapakan because I love Acer ng OA.
Yan, okay. Again, palapakan po natin, Shukla. Thank you,
Thank you,
Shukla.
thank you.
Makakabalik na kayo. Up next, Acer fam, we got duo number 2, Chares. Oh, okay, magkatumbling. Oh. Paano ba to? Uy! Good evening, duo number 2.
Grabe!
Lahat kami nag-expect, lahat sila nag-perform.
Ako din eh!
Oh.
Huwag mag-alala, ibig
Thank you!
Wait lang, parang hindi pa kami kay Stel yung green boots. Charis.
Mamaya, malay natin magkaroon ng ibang collab mamaya, di ba? And guys, we are gonna be so excited for that. Pero syempre, to our Chares, how has the transition been? You know, may mga moments ba na na-shock kayo or you guys are ready to break the limits? Ooh, what an interesting question.
Honestly, we're very ready to break limits right now. Sorry. It's been crazy, honestly. From the BBB house until now, we have broken the limits of our expectations talaga. Like the expectation ng pagmamahal na na-receive namin sa inyo, grabe talaga. You have broke the limits sa mga puso namin at sa lahat-lahat po talaga. Kaya we would like to thank you guys talaga. Maraming salamat. At syempre maraming salamat sa Acer family for really accepting us and loving us. Ikaw, Asnir.
Sobrang ganda ng sinabi ni Charlie. Gusto ko na sabihin. Esnir, no pressure. Pero napakaganda nung sinabi ni Charlie. Are you guys ready to hear Esnir's answer? Esnir?
Asnir, yung mic mo off yata. On mo nga.
Ang nasabi ay nasabi na, hindi na dapat babalikan pa. Thank you!
There we go! Palakpakan po natin! Charles! Thank you so much. Up next, why don't we call in the boys right here on the stage? Ladies and gentlemen, Rawi! Teka lang, hindi pwedeng matapos yung lakad na yon. Siyempre, we got the king of the Caldero and the king of Caldag. Pwede ba? Gusto niyo bang bumalik ang Rawi tapos tapusin dito with the Caldag? Yes! Ulitin natin!
Magandang beat lang, para may gana naman yung pagkantag namin.
May gandang beat. Okay, direct pause and yes. Alright. Okay. Here we go. Right here on Acer Day 2025. Rawi! Grabe, no? Yung Acer fam natin nanonood, nag-spike yung internet nila. Grabe yung na-consume na data, no? Oh, Rawi, welcome. Diyos ko po, sumakit yung likod ko.
Sabi na yung Acer fam, napakaltag to si Kuya Robby.
Pakanda ng medic ah. Parang naglato-lato ah. Okay, bago mapunta yung usapan natin sa iba, we just want to congratulate syempre all of the members of PBB right now. But Rawi, what's one personal barrier that you have recently broken this 2025?
Go, Ralph.
Nice pass! And then, syempre, for me, stage fright has always been such a big thing. Na palagi ako kinakabahan pag may mga mall show, pag may mga out-of-town kami ng performance. And now, I'm here today sa MOA Arena na kumakanta in front of all of you guys. Parang sobrang big milestone na yun sa akin, Kuya Robby.
So, Brent, this is not just a ball show. This is really the year for Acer, the Acer Day 2025. How about you?
Copy paste.
Thank you!
Hindi. Alam niyo naman, yung iba sa inyo siguro po na sobrang introvert ako before. Pero siguro yun yung isang na-break ko na ngayon. I mean, mas naging confident ako sa sarili ko and mas nakilala ko yung sarili ko. Kaya nandito po ako ngayon sa inyong harapan. Nangihingi po ng tulong. Charot. Boto niyo po, BBS Raul. Charot.
Kakatapos na, pero we are so happy for you guys, and we'll be seeing more of stuff coming from Rawi later on. Palabaan po natin, Rawi!
Thank you po.
Alright, thank you. And up next, syempre, we call in the first ever big winner duo of a collab season. Ladies and gentlemen, Greco! Alam niyo, bagay kayo.
Bagay maging best friend.
Mag-duo talaga. No, okay. Before we get to your question, gusto ko for life.
Best friends for life. Pero,
Best friends for life.
Totoo ba yan?
Pag kayo, naging
Totoo kong best friend. Oh, saan naman nagsisimula talaga yan, di ba? Okay, kaya naman simulan na natin ang katanungan ngayon, Marianka. As you know, two people known for your calm, powerful presence. How do you guys push yourself to go beyond what people expect from you or of you?
For me, it's always about taking that first step. Once you make that first step, it's boundless eh. You're limitless. Parang, as long as you keep on improving yourself and yung outside noise lang for me kasi yung my expectations, as long as you go beyond that, it's the first step talaga all the time.
Galing-galing talaga nakasagot ng mabana. Galing-galing.
Di ba?
Ayos. How about you, Mika?
Ako, kuya, syempre, ako nag-focus-focus sa expectation ko sa sarili ko. Kasi, ako, importante sa akin kung ano yung sinasabi ng tao sa salamin. Kung ano yung na-expect nun sa'yo.
And then you transcend from that.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not about what people think,
Yeah.
about what you can do for yourself. I love that answer, and that is my decision. Again, palakpakan po natin, Breka, right here on Acer Day 2025. Maraming salamat for answering all of these questions, no? Maybe one last question to wrap this thing up. Alam nyo, kapag magkasama kasi ang pamilya de Guzman, lahat kami natutuwa talaga. But what's one thing that you could say na, uy, we really broke that limit right there? Anyone could answer.
I feel like the network war. I'm strong enough to say we broke that kasi as collaboration of both GMA and ABS, we did a family because of PBB. So feel ko yun po talaga yung break namin.
That is so true. Esnir, you would love to answer.
Siyempre, yung makapag-perform kami dito ay sila lang pala. Pero yung makampleto kami dito as a family sa Mall of Asia Arena!
Sobrang supportive naman.
Umiyaw naman daw kayo!
Well, we got a lot of moments later on, no? Pero alam niya, sobrang ang tagal ko nang gustong sabihin to. You guys, kahit nakalabas na kayo from the Big Brother house, naging parte naman kayo ng bawat tahanan ng bawat Pilipino. Kaya maraming salamat. We'll be seeing more of them later on. Ladies and gentlemen, being part of the Acer family, palakpakan po natin our ex-PBB Collab Housemates! We'll be seeing more of you guys later on. Thank you. Our PDG or extended PDG. I know some of you or most of you are on social media, and the best thing about that is may nakita kayong collaboration na pwedeng mangyari dito mismo sa Acer Day 2025. I'll be asking some people about that later on, no? But Acer fam, we are just about to go full throttle. And syempre, who better to lead this Break a Limit takeover than the fiercest Filipina queens? Oh, before we do that, I know sa lahat ng mga